Hey guys, I am here at Rewind Trichology Hair Loss Clinic, and I'm here with Jordan Palmer and Will Ewers. Guys, thank you so much for having us back.
Hey, glad you're here.
Okay, so I want to do a follow-up question with you. How is the hair loss clinic going so far?
I think it's been phenomenal. We've had amazing results and enormous success with it. The trick is just getting people in here as soon as possible, as soon as they start to notice any hair loss.
Right, and that's an important fact too, is that, you know, once people start noticing that their hair is getting thinner, they need to get in as quickly as possible. Why is that important?
Because when the hair miniaturizes, once it miniaturizes to 1 millimeter, we can't make it come back from that.
Okay.
So especially if it's androgenetic alopecia, if they have an autoimmune disorder, it's even more critical to come in as soon as possible. It just depends on the underlying reason for the hair loss.
Gotcha.
That's what we have to determine during their first consultation.
Gotcha. And I mean, you have several different treatments to choose from too for people, right? So one thing might not be preferred for one client, but another treatment might be exactly what they need.
Yeah, we still have the first FDA-approved device, Folix, for complete hair restoration. That's tried and true. And now TED, the trans-epidermal delivery, is still we consider that tried and true now.
Yeah.
So, but we have so many things and so many options at our arsenal that there's not anyone that we can't help.
So Will, let me ask you, what are some of the additional benefits to a membership program?
Oh yes, with our memberships you'll have 24-hour access to our concierge medicine service, which would be myself as a dermatology physician assistant, Jordan as a trichologist, and our two nurse practitioners.
All right. And you know what? If hair loss is an issue for anyone out there, you definitely want to give Rewind a call. They'll get you an appointment. It's a free consultation too,
Always.
right? Yeah. All right. Well, thanks again for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Glad to be here.